Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Tina. In today's video, I did partner up with MŌDA brushes to create this look that you guys see right now, and I also used the Huda Beauty Mercury Retrograde palette. So this is what it looks like. I used these three colors right here to create this nice bluish purplish reflect going on in my eyes, and I kind of wanted to like do a simple look on the face, but especially I partnered up with MŌDA brushes, and these are the brushes that I use to create this absolutely beautiful look for you guys, and I hope you guys really like it. Really quickly, I just wanted to say that MŌDA brushes are one of the best brushes, hands down. I'm not just saying this because this is a partnered video. I'm saying this because I genuinely like their brushes, and if you guys see from my older videos, I've used them plenty of times. I just love how amazing their metallic line is. They not only look sophisticated, like they last long, and they're really amazing on the budget. I do have an affiliate code if you guys are interested, but I am going to show you this particular line right here. So the one that I have here is the 6-piece full face kit. So as you guys can see, the capsule in this is absolutely beautiful. It is made with plastic, but you can definitely travel with it. It's not flimsy or anything like that, and it's made really nicely. The first brush in here is the round powder brush. This is the perfect brush for buffing and blending to ensure that your contour and foundation are uniform. Love using this, especially when I'm using a powder all over my face. So the second one is the Angle Kabuki brush, and this one is for buffing and contouring. So I use this mostly for foundation or any type of liquid bronzer. This would be great for that. It is absolutely amazing when it comes to like blending your foundation, so I use it for that, and the angled part of it like really hugs the shape of your face, so I like using it for that. The third brush in here is called Accentuate, and this one is used to precisely highlight the cheekbones, the bridge of your nose, and anywhere you want for some extra glow. And the next one in here is the Angle Shader, and this one is ideal for applying the eyeshadow to your entire lid or to create a contour on your nose. And the last one is here is the Smudger, and this one is the perfect size for applying color on your upper and lower lash line or to smudge the eyeliner for a soft, smoky look.
And then let's move on to the actual tutorial. First, I'm going to take my Zoeva foundation, and this one is in the 200W Genuine. And then I'm using that buffer brush to blend the foundation all over my face. This brush really hugs the curves on your face. As a result, it looks like your makeup is airbrushed finished. And then I'm going to take the M16 metallic brush from MŌDA. This is their crease brush, which is not included in the 6-piece rose gold collection. However, this is also a very nice brush to use on your crease or to blend eyeshadows in the crease area. I'm going to grab the Angle Shader brush from the collection, and I am going to dip this into the darker shade of the palette, and then I'm going to apply a little bit of those shadows starting in the outer area of my eyes and then working it towards the inside, filling in that whole lower lid, working that angle brush in there. Next, I am using the small eye shader brush. This is part of the metallic collection. However, it is not included in the 6-piece rose gold collection. Now, I'm using this to go over the darker shade on my lid. And as you guys can see, the metallic green shade is going to pop because of this. Now I'm going to grab my ring finger, and I'm going to take that metallic purple shade. I'm going to dab that all over the middle of my lids to create that nice dimension in my eyelids. Now I'm going to grab that smudger brush from the Rose Gold collection, and I'm also going to grab that nice minty green color from the palette, and I'm going to smudge that color underneath my lower lash line. Now to finish my face, I'm going to use the round powder brush from the collection, and I'm also grabbing the Jaclyn Hill luminous powder, and this one is in carrots. I am just gonna apply this all over my face to give me that nice subtle glow. And I'm also using the same brush to apply my bronzer using the Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer in Muro Muro. To apply my blush, I am using the same MŌDA palette, and I am also using the MŌDA M05 Buffer Blush Brush. This brush that I'm using right now is not included in the collection, however, you can buy this individually. And now I'm going to apply my highlighter, and I'm using the Thrive Cosmetics highlighter. And also for the brush, and this is the Accentuate brush, and this is the last brush in this collection. And I absolutely love this brush because it distributes the highlight really nicely on your cheekbones. For my finishing touch, I am just using a regular mascara here, and this is the Grande mascara, and I'm just applying this all over my lashes. And for the lips, I'm using the Wander Lip Setter in Nolita.
Alright guys, that is the full look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys are interested, please don't forget to use the code TINAC for checkout, and I will have the link down in my description box. And also like and subscribe to this video, and I will see you in my next one. I love you all. Mwah. Bye.